Want to check your respiratory rate or breathing rate on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can track your breathing while sleeping or during mindfulness sessions. So look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to check your respiratory rate on your Apple Watch. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down. Find Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Now scroll down again. Then tap on Health. Now scroll down. Tap Respiratory Rate and make sure to toggle this on. Now grab your iPhone. Open the Health app. Select Browse from the bottom right corner. Scroll down. Now tap on Respiratory. Scroll down again. Then tap Respiratory Rate. Here, you can see your respiratory rate or breathing rate on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.